first, take this on, and you take this panel off. That one comes off really easy, it only has a couple of things. This panel has one bolt there, and 2 bolts right here somewhere at the bottom. One there, right there. Take those off, you just pop it off. Now, my turn signal still does not work. Over down here, take this off. And this one has a bolt there for losing it. Another one that went in there. And you just pop this off really quick to give you access to the turn signal relay switch. It's that big thing right there. This right here is broken. Probably has some connection issues. Most of the time this is what piece that's gonna break. So I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. It's relatively easy to take apart. I use a screwdriver to just stick it here on the side and take the shell off. Now you see, this is a relay. The issue with these things is that the solder, just from being too old, let me refocus. Being too old, you lose. They begin to just crack away. So what you could do is take a soldering iron, just heat up and melt the solder, and it'll just stick onto it again, or you can always add some more. Not a big deal. I don't really know how much this thing costs. So this is again the turn signal relay switch. What it had was that these solders right here towards the end, solder points, they were cracked, and they basically weren't making a contact with this part from here to here. So I went ahead and I just resoldered them. I only used the soldering iron to add a bit of solder to them to just really seal out the joints, nothing special. Now we could test it to see if it works. And I put the relay back in just to kind of test it out and show you guys how it works. Alright, here's my turn signal. As you can see now, both of them work. Everything's working as it should. Now let's take a look at it from down here. So that's your relay switch. Here's my left turn signal. Not a good camera. Here's the right one. Here's my hazard lights. So I just put everything back together. This is my 2002 Jeep Laredo. And it used to have a turn signal problem.